Cancun and Playa del Carmen are full of sargassum. If you are planning to come to the Mexican Caribbean, you need to try Puerto Morelos. Right now, today is June 17, 2026, and I want to show you how the beach looks like.
Just look at that water. Those shades of blue never get old. One of the questions we get asked the most at Abbey del Sol is, how's the sargassum? And the truth is, conditions can change throughout the Caribbean depending on weather and currents. That's why we like showing you exactly what Puerto Morelos looks like right now. One of the things that makes Puerto Morelos so special is that it still feels like an authentic Mexican beach town. Life moves a little slower here. People take their time. The restaurants are local. The atmosphere is relaxed.
Look at this beautiful view. This Airbnb, it's only 2 blocks away from the beach.
This is Casa Alba, one of the beautiful vacation homes managed by Abbey del Sol, and it checks all the boxes for a relaxing Caribbean escape. But one of our favorite features has to be the rooftop. From up here, you can enjoy beautiful views of both the Caribbean Sea and the surrounding mangrove. It's the perfect place to enjoy your morning coffee, read a book, or simply relax after a day at the beach.
Here's something we believe truly sets Abbey del Sol apart. It's not just the properties, it's not just the location, it's the people. And when we ask them why, the answer is very often the same. The people. Abbey del Sol's people. Our team loves helping visitors experience the best of Puerto Morelos. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a like. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our new adventures in Puerto Morelos.